Koh Samui like you've never seen it before. This dream island in the Gulf of Thailand is famous for its white beaches, night markets, beach clubs and diverse food scene. It's often seen as overcrowded, especially around the popular hotspots. But Koh Samui also has another side: peaceful, natural and truly unique. In this video we will show you our personal favorite spots, hidden gems that many visitors never discover. The well-known sites like Big Buddha or Choeng Beach are familiar to most, but the most beautiful places often remain unseen. So join us and let's uncover the hidden side of Koh Samui together.
Sorry, Cap. Morning. One iced mocha, please. Big size. Yeah, big size, no sugar. Good morning, Sawadee Krap, and welcome back to another video on our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you some more or less secret places we've discovered during the last year here on Koh Samui. We are starting off the day at Chiang Mon beach, which is basically very well known. But what most people do not know, there is a secret bay right next to Chiang Mon beach and there's never any people over there. Sometimes you can find some locals, and yeah, we will go for a walk with you guys and show you that first spot in a minute. Enjoy! We are approaching Chiang Mon beach now, and I gotta tell you, it's really beautiful. I'm gonna show you in a minute. We come here almost every day for a walk. There's different options you can choose for walking here. Look at this, it's very beautiful. At the moment we are experiencing low tide, so this beach definitely changes twice a day at the moment. Now we have low tide, as you can see, there's not that much water here, which makes it easier for us to go to the secret bay in a minute. I don't know if you can see that, Christina, she's playing with the dogs in the background. There's many dogs here in Thailand in general, but they're all nice. And there she's coming. And who are you? Hello. This is her 7-Eleven dog. As you can see here on the beach, there's almost nobody there. That's because it's 7 a.m. in the morning and most of the tourists are just getting up. In about an hour or two, this beach will fill up. And what I really find funny, and I wouldn't say funny, it's kind of like sad, lots of people coming here for a vacation, spending 2-3 weeks here on the beach, but they never explore, you know. There's so many people that do not even know that there is this secret bay so close, and they never even explore it. And yeah, that's why we decided today to make this video, to just show you some spots that you will not find in other YouTube videos. You know, everybody knows about Choeng Beach, Lamai Beach and all the kind of touristy stuff, Big Buddha. So we will take you to some other places where you can enjoy being alone. So we're now reaching the end of the Chiang Mon beach. So when you come from the street, it's going to be on your right-hand side. And here you can see the Cape Fan Hotel. That's like on a separate little island. And now since we're having low tide, you can actually walk over there. But in about 2 hours, it's gonna be like a meter more water, and then you have to take a special truck to get over there. And we are going in that direction. Most of the people that come and explore the beach here, they come all the way up until here and they won't go any further, but we need to go to that direction. So we reached the end of the beach now, and this is our next way. We need to cross this small river here. Since it's low tide, it's very easy. During high tide, this can be definitely higher, so I'd recommend to have some flip-flops or easy shoes you can take off. They basically just have to follow the tracks. Now here you have a couple of options. You could either go left side and climb through the rocks, which I wouldn't recommend, or we just go straight here through the gardens, which is going to be way more easy. So we are following Christina now for a minute, then we should reach our first destination for today, and I promise you, you're going to be amazed how beautiful this is. We have reached Babylon at the Secret Beach. It's a very, very beautiful place here. You never see any people. And we come here quite often, I think at least 2 or 3 times a week, just to have a coffee, relax, enjoy the nature. And this here is even a nice spot for people that like abandoned places. I'm going to show you in a second. But before that, let's just enjoy the beauty of the nature.
Hi guys, so we have arrived here at this wonderful place. We call it the Secret Bay. I have no idea how it's called officially because you cannot find it on Google Maps. And that's why this place is so special and so quiet. Most of the people do not know that. But look at this. It's crystal clear water, white sandy beach, and there is nobody. The only people we meet here from time to time are some Thai people which are going to catch their fishes in the evening, but otherwise we never met anybody here. And what makes this place also very fascinating, this is the abandoned hotel complex, which seems to be abandoned for a couple of years now. As you can see, plants are growing everywhere. Really sad to see that such nice projects are stopped in the middle of the construction process. For those of you who are interested to walk up there and explore a little bit, I mean, you can do that. But if you are afraid of wild dogs, keep that in mind that you could meet a dog over there, so take care. And for now, I will jump in this wonderful crystal clear water now and enjoy this surrounding here a little bit. What a nice refreshing here in the Secret Bay. It's absolutely an amazing place. If you guys are here on Koh Samui or you are planning to come here, write that on your bucket list. And with that said, I would say see you at spot number 2.
So to finish off our walk, we're not gonna walk the same way back. We are taking the entrance or exit, however you want to call it, from the Cape Fun Hotel. So we can basically walk a nice circle. So just go through here and that'll bring you back to the main road. So we are now back where we started our walk at 7-11. Yeah, and for us it's time to move on to spot number 2, from the northeast of the island all the way down to the southwest of the island. For us it's gonna be like an hour drive with the bike, but you guys, it's only gonna take you a second, so see you there. have reached our second destination in the southwest of the island. The area here is called Thailand Nam. This is the secret beach, as we call it. And Christina and I, we basically discovered this place by accident when we were exploring the island a couple of months ago. I can tell you it's very, very beautiful. You're gonna be the only one here. So even in high season, you barely see any people coming to this beach. I don't understand why, because it's beautiful, or it might be that it's not that easy to reach. Now we're walking down to the beach. That doesn't even take a minute, so very, very close. The beauty here is, so first of all, the view, but secondly, that there is very, very rarely that you see maybe some locals here or some tourists that explore this place. If you want to spend a couple of hours in peace with no other people, this is the perfect place to come. And also depending on what kind of tide you're having, it's low tide, you can walk, I think about 100 meters out there, but the water comes like up all the way here during high tide. So now we have about medium tide, I would say. So to reach the sandy beach, we have to walk a little bit across these rocks here. But it's definitely gonna be worth it. So Christina, she's already preparing the blanket. Now we're gonna chill a little bit.
It's so beautiful here. This is one of the moments where you realize why you basically moved across the world to a foreign country. We simply love it, you know, to be here on the beach, know other people, spend some quality time together. A little bit more information for you guys. So for those who do not want to take that steep hill down here, because it's rather steep to drive down here, there is another entrance basically a little bit further down the road. I flew the drone over there, so we will show you in the video where you can go there. We'll also put the link in the description box. Over there it's also very easy to drive with the car. Then you can also reach this beach here. It's just a little bit of a longer walk, maybe 5 minutes or so.
Before we finally leave this place, I just want to give you a little bit of orientation. In the background here we have the Thong Marine National Park, which is really, really beautiful. And in case you're coming to Samui, you should definitely book a tour to the marine park. We've done several of those tours, from cheap ones to private ones, and it's absolutely worth it. We also have done some videos on it. We will also link them in the video description. On the other side, we can see the mainland. That's the way down to Don Zac. So the ferry from Koh Samui to the mainland basically goes from Thong to Don Zac. After about 5 minutes of driving, we have reached our third spot for today. And after showing you guys 2 beaches in the beginning, our next spot is going to be a viewpoint. I know there are several viewpoints on Koh Samui. Probably one is more beautiful than the other, but this particular one, we are here in Thailand Nam today. You never see any people, so we've been here very often. You have a very nice 360-degree view to the mainland, to Thong Marine Park, to the Pig Island, to Thailand Nam Beach, and all that kind of stuff. So it's very, very beautiful. So before we go up there, I want to show you this nice view here. directly on the edge. And if you want to have a romantic picnic with your partner and have a rental car, you can come up here, drive all the way up here to the edge. There's nobody going to be here, and you can enjoy your meal with this fantastic view. I'm holding the camera today, and Christina is carrying the heavy luggage. Yep, she's the experienced hiker here, so she's gonna carry up the heavy stuff, those 15 meters. But as you can hear, I'm already out of breath. So look at this view, guys. Isn't it amazing? So we've spent about 10 to 15 minutes here at the viewpoint. You actually do not need that much longer, but it's just an incredible view. You're going to be all by yourself, like I said. And yeah, for us, we are getting hungry and thirsty now. So our next stop is going to be a very, very special place we've been to very often. So see you there in a minute. We have now reached our favorite beach bar in the south of Koh Samui. It's called the Stoned Table. So every time we're in the south of Samui, we come here for a visit. But they have excellent Thai food here, also lots of vegan options. So the food here is exceptional, and that's why we always come back. And of course, the view is amazing as well. We'll show you in a second. But now we're going to order something to eat and enjoy the view here a little bit.
In my opinion, there is nothing better than a fresh coconut if you're here in Thailand, and especially if you're here in such a special place directly on the beach.
As always, I'm having the stir-fried cashew nuts with rice today. My favorite dish here in Thailand so far, and here it tastes amazing. We have just finished our food, and now we're still relaxing a little bit and enjoying the nice view to the beautiful island of Koh Samui and Koh Samui. I hope I pronounced it correctly. This is going to be the end of this video. That's going to be the first part of a two-part series on hidden gems in Koh Samui. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. If you did, comment on the video, leave us a like, and if you'd like, feel free to subscribe to the channel. And of course, do not forget to tune in next week when we are showing you guys the second part of hidden gems on Koh Samui. See you soon.
Want to make sure you never miss one of our videos in the future? Then subscribe to our channel and activate the bell. This helps us produce even more videos in the future. For those who want to watch our videos in German, hop over to our channel lifemuchmore to subscribe the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. With that said, make life your most extraordinary journey, and see you in the next one.